In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Acrobat for filling and signing documents. Adobe Acrobat is a powerful tool that allows you to not only read PDF documents, but also to interact with them in more meaningful ways, like adding your signature electronically. This feature is incredibly useful for a variety of reasons, especially if you want to save time and move away from traditional pen and paper methods. So let's dive in and see how we navigate this. Firstly, when you open up Adobe Acrobat, you'll find yourself on the home page. It's your central hub, where you find options like creating new documents or accessing your recent work. The interface might feel a little overwhelming if you are new, but once you know where to look, it's fairly intuitive. For our task today, we want to either start with a new document or pick up from where we left off with an existing one. So what you need to do here is click on the option that suits your needs best. Create if you want to start fresh, or Recent Work if you're resuming a previous task. If you're going to work on something you've previously started, select the Recent Work option. It'll conveniently display your recent files, allowing you to pick up right where you left off without the hassle of digging through folders. This is a great time-saving feature in Adobe Acrobat. Now, once you've selected your document, you'll want to look for the e-sign option. It's usually located at the top or side panel, easy to spot. Clicking here gives you two main choices: Add Signature or Add Initials. These options are precisely what they sound like. If you need to sign off a document officially, you'd use Add Signature. On the other hand, Add Initials is perfect for documents needing only your initials, perhaps for page verification or minor approvals. Let's focus on adding a signature today. Click on Add Signature. You'll notice options like typing your name, using a saved image, or drawing your signature. Opt for Draw if you want to create a personal touch by signing directly with your mouse, stylus, or touchscreen. It's simple. Click and hold while you write out your name, mimicking your actual signature. Once you're satisfied with your creation, be sure to hit Save. This saves the signature for potential future use, turning it into another time-saving function of the Adobe Acrobat experience. And there you have it. You've just learned how to fill and sign using Adobe Acrobat. It's a straightforward process that can really streamline your workflow. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial makes your digital documentation experience much smoother and more efficient. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.